TAF is a terminal aerodrome forecast or aerodrome forecast. So here on screen is an example of a section of a TAF. If you've watched any of the METAR videos, you'll see that some of the TAF elements are familiar. The wind, the visibility, and the weather presents, for example. The thing you would probably have noticed that's different is the words at the beginning and the 8 digits separated by a slash. Let's go over each line. I'm going to explain to you what everything means. On the first line of this example we have becoming. So BECMG is becoming, and it's a gradual change in weather conditions. The next one is the 8 digits, so it's 0322 0401. So that's the third at 22 until the fourth at 01. So the first 2 digits are the date and the second 2 digits are the time. So what that translates to is on the third at 2200 Zulu until the fourth at 0100 Zulu, they're expecting a gradual change in the wind direction from whatever it was prior to 210 degrees at 7 knots. The next line is tempo, and again we've got the 8 digits, so they both say 4. So on the 4th, between 1100 Zulu and 2400 Zulu, they're expecting a temporary change of the wind to change direction from 250 degrees to increase in speed to 15 knots with gusting up to 25 knots. The next line is prob 30, so that's a 30% probability of change, and again we have the 4th and the 4th, so on the 4th between 1400 and 1600 Zulu, they're expecting a 30% probability of visibility dropping to 8,000 meters and light rain. Prob 40 is the exact same as prob 30, just a higher percent, so it's a 40% chance rather than a 30% chance, and they're expecting a 40% probability of, again on the 4th, between 1700 Zulu and 2300 Zulu, of the visibility dropping to 6,000 meters with heavy rain. And that is basically it. That's how you decode a TAF, and I hope that helps. I'll pop a little bit on screen now with the explanation for the words. Have a look at that, and I hope this video has been useful, and I hope it makes you a little bit more confident when it comes to decoding TAFs. If it does, please consider following the channel. Check out our YouTube channel and website and join our Discord. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.